very complex. I get annoyed when I go to church sometimes listening to an African minister, African priest. Why not just speak like a Tumbuka? Do you think God will hear you better when you imitate a Scottish missionary? Why should you speak your own Tumbuka like a Scotsman from Scotland? Why a Cheva minister preach like a Dutch reform or an Anglican priest? Or Frenchman? No. Pray to God in Tumbuka, pure Tumbuka. Pure Tumbuka. Pure Tumbuka. Yin. Mpempere apempera kwa chiuta yo yan Tumbuka chene chekale chakukaya chaku Livingstone ya chara icho Tumbuka cha icho chimishoni kuti Tumbuka cha. Well, this is what I wanted to say. You, not Malawi, but Malawi. You teachers, not Malawi, but Malawi. Is that clear? Correct the European. When you know they are making mistakes, they will not be angry. They will thank you. Will you be angry?